everyone, welcome back to my new After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial I will show how to easily create particles logo animation. Let's start it. Add your logo to timeline and pre-compose it. Select Move All Attributes into the new composition, and click OK. Select it. Click on Windows, from Extensions list open Motion Factory. Click on Particle Builder. And click on this one. Now you can close this window. Add the same logo to the timeline. Press T. And change the opacity to 90. Thanks for watching. Please write in the comments. Do you like this tutorial and put like or dislike.